Hello student, in environmental studies subject, today we will discuss the topic desert ecosystem, which is the type of terrestrial ecosystem. In previous lecture, we have discussed the example of terrestrial ecosystem, that is the grassland ecosystem. The second example of terrestrial ecosystem is a desert ecosystem. Desert and semi-arid lands are highly specialized and sensitive ecosystems that are easily destroyed by human activities. The species of this dry area can live only in this specialized habitat. Desert and semi-arid areas are located in western India and Deccan Plateau. The climate in this vast tract is extremely dry, and there are also a cold desert such as in Ladakh, which are located in the high plateau of Himalaya. The most typical desert landscape that is seen in Rajasthan is in the Thar desert. This has sand dunes. In most areas of the Thar, the rainfall is scanty and sporadic. In an area, it may rain only once every few years. In the adjoining semi-arid tract, the vegetation consists of fruit shrubs and thorny trees such as kher and babul. The Great and Little Rann of Kutch are highly specialized arid ecosystem. In the summer, they are similar to desert landscape. The desert, any large extremely dry area of land with sparse vegetations, and it is one of the earth's major type of ecosystems supporting a community of distinctive plants and animals specially adapted to the harsh environment. Based on the climatic conditions, deserts are classified into 4 types. The main 4 types of the deserts includes hot and dry desert, semi-arid desert, coastal desert and cold deserts. In hot and dry deserts, also known as arid deserts, the temperatures are warm and dry year around. Some famous arid deserts include the Sahara deserts that covers much of the African continent and the Mojave deserts located in the southwest of United States. Semi-arid deserts are a bit cooler than hot and dry deserts. The long dry summers in semi-arid deserts are followed by winters. With some rain, semi-arid deserts are found in North America, Greenland, Europe and Asia. Coastal deserts are a bit more humid than other type of deserts, although heavy fogs blow informs the coast. Rainfall is still rare. The desert of Chile in South America is an example of coastal desert. The last desert type is cold desert are still dry but have extremely low temperature in comparison to the other type of desert. The Antarctic is an example of cold desert. Like grassland ecosystem, the structure and functions of the desert ecosystems are also similar. The first component of desert ecosystem is abiotic component. There are basic 3 abiotic components: physical environment, inorganic nutrient and organic compounds. In desert ecosystem, the abiotic components are temperature, rainfall, sunlight, waters as a physical environment component. The temperature is very high and the rainfall is very low. Hence, the nutrient cycling is also very low. The second type of component is biotic components. Basically, there are 3 types of biotic components: producers, First component, producer are those organisms that use a photosynthesis to capture energy to build carbohydrates, which are then used to build a more complex molecule which are essential to life processes. Producers are green plants and also known as autotrophs, as they manufacture their own food. Second biotic components is consumers. The animals which feed on a producers, that is plants, are included in this category. These may be a herbivores, that is plant eater, or maybe carnivorous, flesh eaters, and omnivorous, both flesh and plant eaters. The last biotic components is decomposers. Decomposers convert all organic matter into carbon dioxide and nutrient. In desert ecosystem, the producers are shrub, bushes, some grasses and few trees. In desert, mostly the succulents plants are found available. They have water inside them to stay alive. They have waxy layer on the outside to protect them from the sun. The second biotic component of desert, that is the consumers. The consumers are squirrel, mice, foxes, rabbits, deer and reptiles. The third biotic components is decomposers, that is fungi and bacteria. Deserts are poor vegetations with a very low amount of dead organic matter, and they are decomposed by a few fungi and bacteria. So these are overall the biotic components of the desert ecosystem. This is a schematic representation of ecosystem consisting of biotic and abiotic component, producers, consumers and decomposers. How are desert ecosystem used? The area of scanty vegetations with semi-arid scrubland have been used for grazing purpose for a camel, cattle and goat in Rajasthan and Gujarat area, and for sheep grazing in Deccan Plateau. The another use is area that have the little moisture and scarcity of water have been used for growing the crops such as the jawar and bajra. The natural grasses and a local variety of crops have adapted to growing at very low moisture level, and this is used for genetic engineering and developing arid land crops for the future. Worldwide, there are numbers of threats are discussed for a desert ecosystem. Several types of development strategies as well as human population growth have begun to affect the natural ecosystem of the desert and semi-arid land. Conservation of these lands through extensive irrigation system had changed several of natural characteristics of this region. The canal water evaporates rapidly, bringing the salts to the surface. The second threat is the region becomes highly unproductive as it becomes a saline, pulling excessive groundwater from the tube wells, lowers the water table, creating an even drier environment. The soil is very poor in nutrient and organic matter, so the vegetation is poor. Overall, the human activities destroy the naturalness of this unique ecosystem, and the special species that evolved here over millions of the year, many soon became extinct or rare. After the threats of ecosystem, we will see how to conserve the desert ecosystem from these threats. Desert ecosystems are extremely sensitive. Their ecological balance that forms a habitat for their plants and animals, which is easily disturbed. Desert peoples have traditionally protected their water resources. The Bishnois in Rajasthan are known to have protected their khejdi trees and the blackbuck antelope for several generations. Several Bishnois were said to be have killed while trying to protect their trees when the tradition begins when the ruler of their region is ordered his army to cut down trees for his own use. So the Bishnois protect these traditional trees. There is an urgent need to protect residual patches of these ecosystems within national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in desert and semi-arid areas. The Indira Gandhi Canal in Rajasthan is destroying this important natural arid ecosystem as it will convert the region into intensive agriculture. In Kutch, areas of the Little Rann, which is the only home of the wild ass, will be destroyed by the spread of saltworm. The development projects alter the desert and arid landscape. There is a sharp reduction in the habitat available for its specialized species, bringing them to the verge of extinction. We need a sustainable form of development that takes the special need of the desert into account. Now, here we discuss some multiple choice question regarding the desert ecosystem. What makes the desert region to become highly unproductive? A. Salinity, sunlight, temperature, increase in the rain. As we discuss in threads of desert ecosystem, the excessive cooling of water makes the soil salty and that salinity makes the soil unfertile. Second, desert and semi-arid regions have many organisms such as insects, birds and animals. A. True. B. False. Answer is true as it is the ecosystem that consists of variety of organisms in their desert land. Third multiple choice question is what kind of climate we can find in the third desert? That is the A. Cold, B. Dry, C. Cool, D. Moist. There is the dry climate in third desert. The climate in the third desert is extremely dry. Most of the typical deserts landscape seen in Rajasthan is in the third desert. The third desert has a sand dunes and it also has areas covered with grasses with few shrubs.